My name's Taryn Wydell, former Marine and Division I strength coach. And here's one way that you can design an upper body workout.
All right, so I'll start off by programming my primary movement for today, which will be a heavy chin-up. So I want to focus on strength for chin-ups. I'll keep it between 1 and 6 reps to target strength. So we'll call it 3x4 for today. And then obviously chin-ups are a vertical pull, so I can go ahead and cross this out. I like to match movements or patterns. So a vertical pull is really similar to a vertical push. So I'll pair my chin-up with a vertical push. Since my weighted chin-ups are a bilateral movement, or I'm using both arms, let's maybe go something unilateral or single arm. So I'll go half kneeling, single arm dumbbell overhead press. We'll call it sets of 6 on each side. All right, there's my vertical push, so we can go ahead and cross that out. And that'll be my strength block or my primary block. So reps will be a little bit lower, but I'm gonna try and go a little bit heavier if I can. For my next block, we'll work on more hypertrophy or building muscle, something with a little bit higher volume. So we'll go higher reps. And one of my favorite set schemes is doing reps. So call it 8 reps followed by a hold in a deep position where there's a lot of tension for 20 seconds and then doing another 8 reps. It's miserable, but it's so much fun. So for this, it'll be 8 reps followed by a 20-second hold in the bottom position of that dumbbell bench, followed by another 8 reps. That's our horizontal push. All right, now we need a horizontal pull. I love reverse flies. Those do a good job of strengthening everything around the scaps and the shoulders. It's great for shoulder care, and my shoulders aren't the best, so let's go with a reverse fly. I like doing them with my palms down and with my thumb down and having my pinkies back. So within each set, I'll do 6 of each. I can go a lot heavier having my palms down. So I'll go 30s for my reverse fly with palms down. Then I'll drop to 15s and perform 6 more reps with my pinkies back and thumbs down. All right, that's my horizontal pull. And I need to work some core. So I'll do these 2 things. I'll do trunk flexion and trunk rotation to work the core. So for trunk flexion, I'll do a tall kneeling cable crunch. This is awesome because I can load this a lot heavier. A lot of core exercises mainly use body weight, but this I can start to progress using the weight on the cable stack. We'll just hit 2 sets on the core, so we'll call it 2x8. That's my trunk flexion. And lastly, we need some type of trunk rotation. So really, if I wanted to use that same cable, I could just drop it down lower and use that same attachment even, and just do a half kneeling cable chop. Makes it a little bit easier because I need less equipment within the gym, and I can really just stay in the same spot and just adjust that cable higher and lower to alternate between those 2. And we'll call it 2x8 on each side there as well. All right, and that's my trunk rotation. I'll make sure I hit a good warm up. These will all be my working sets, so I want to make sure that I am nice and warmed up so that I get the most out of these sets.